Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit footer in Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products. Here you're going to find customers, content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find point of sale and also online store. And lastly here, you're going to find your apps. So right now, go ahead and click on online store. And then once you do that, here under online store, you're going to find themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and lastly preferences. Make sure you click on themes. And then once you do that, here in the top, you're going to find your current theme right here. As you can see, guys, I'm using the down theme. And then here in the right, you're going to find the option to customize the theme. And right next to it, you're going to find some additional options like preview, rename, duplicate, download theme file, edit code, and edit default theme content. So right now, go ahead and click on customize. And then once you do that, you're going to be taken to your website editor. So once here in the editor, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your online store. So once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of the elements of your page. So here are the header options. Here you're going to find the header, template, and here in the bottom, you're going to find footer. So just go ahead and click on footer. And then once you do that, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to add a blog if you want. And here in the right, as you can see, guys, you're going to find this menu that will help you to customize your footer. As you can see, guys, you can add or change your color scheme. Here, you're going to find all of these options that will help you to customize your footer. So once you finish customizing and editing your footer, all you need to do, guys, is click on save here in the top right corner, and then you're good to go. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.